Hi guys, so we got invited to our neighbor's birthday party. It's not a kid's birthday party, but Nick didn't want to go by himself, so here we are. And Sophia and Samantha are here too, but there are no kids. He told us that there might be some kids coming, so we brought Sophia and Samantha, but Samantha is sleeping right now, luckily, or good thing she's sleeping, because I know that she's gonna be sleeping in the car. She didn't want to stay home. She wanted to go with daddy. She didn't want to be left alone. So now we're all here stuck in the car while Nick is there to attend the birthday party. He's probably just gonna eat and then just leave. So here we are. The place is called Euro Hub. That's where he's having his birthday party. There's Rob. Yeah, so Euro Hub, that's where they are at. I can't go there because Sammy's sleeping. When she wakes up, she's probably gonna be like crying. This area is quite neat.
Wow!
There's a lot of like little restaurants and kiosks and shops. So
It's
good.
dark.
It is 6:20 right now. Why did you turn off? They are foreigners and probably like Filipinos, like married to Filipinos or something. And my brother, he said that he doesn't feel like he is invited or something. Yeah, so he's just sitting outside too. Nick went inside, but he's gonna order me some food and probably Sophia too, and for Rafi. And yeah, Samantha is sleeping. I actually gave her cold medicine earlier after lunch, and I wanted her to take a nap, but she insisted on not taking a nap. So that's what happened. And we were supposed to go to the pool. Instead of coming over here to the birthday party, we were supposed to go to the pool because it's gonna be much better since, you know, the kids would enjoy it, but they were just like not listening. It was like so chaotic. Like we were like screaming at each other. Like Samantha was like screaming and crying for every single thing, and they were fighting, and like they're like, you know, fighting over one thing. And so I told Nick, I think we should just all go. And Samantha didn't want her daddy to go by himself, so we just decided to come along. But I wasn't really planning on coming over here because, you know, I just didn't feel like it's a party for kids, and I'm very sure that the kids won't let us go, just us, without, you know, without them. So that's why. And so here we are, stuck in the car. Got her sleeping so peacefully, which is good. This is why I told Nick I think we should just go and have Samantha sleep in the car, because she wouldn't sleep at home. She was so worried about daddy. Earlier this afternoon, Nick had to take the car in for it's 1 month maintenance for checkup, like the oil change and all that. So finally the car now, after 1 month, like just make sure that everything is okay. And so yeah, he had to take it in, and I stay with the kids because it was gonna take like 1 to 3 hours. So I said I think the kids are not gonna, you know, have fun there. So I told Nick, you have to go by yourself. But actually he went with Rafi, with my brother, so that was good, because I know the kids are not going to enjoy just sitting there. And so I'm pretty sure that they're gonna be running around. Good thing we didn't go, because Nick said that there was no electricity there yesterday. There was a power outage. So I think I did the right call, the right decision on that. We stayed at home. I was able to take a nap for at least like 15 minutes, and after that I started like decluttering, organizing the house, emptying boxes, and yeah, I still have a few balikbayan boxes that haven't emptied out yet. And life has been so busy lately ever since we came to the Philippines from the US. So I had just been like putting aside, like emptying out the balikbayan boxes, and also my inventory. I have a lot of clothes I need to actually take pictures of and then post on Facebook and Instagram to finally you know, sell them, because they're just a lot. I have a lot of cute stuff, but because I had been so busy that I didn't really have the time to do it. We had been so busy with a lot of things. And okay, so I went back to Samar to process a lot of other things aside from buying furnitures and appliances for our house there, and beddings and all that. I also did other things that needed to be taken care of, and so that was good. I was able to take care of a few things, but not all of them, not everything on my list. So here's Nick. Hey!
Here's the menu. You can take a look at it and see what you want.
Okay.
They have a club sandwich, which I was thinking
Oh.
might be good for you.
Yeah, just get me that one. Club sandwich.
I'm going to get the high protein burger, which has an egg on it and bacon.
Ooh. Maybe I should get like a Caesar salad
You
too.
also have a salad, European salad, Euro hub salad.
Get Rafi the tongka. No pork. Chicken katsu curry. Get Rafi that. What did he say?
He wants the sisig.
He wants a sisig. Okay, why am I even like ordering for him?
Yeah.
Okay,
And I
just
was like, okay. I was like, anything else? He's like, nope, that's good.
Sophia, do you want some? Here's our order. Nick just ordered club sandwich for me and a Caesar salad. Get me Caesar salad over there. I don't know what the fried egg is for. There is a fried egg over here. I don't know what that is. Oh, the fries. Okay, they're fried. No, they're not fries. They're like potatoes. You want to try it? Yeah, they're potatoes.
Okay, try?
Okay.
Can I get one like that?
It's hot. I'm trying to give it to you because it's hot. They're eating here. There's like a party over there going on with like the live music. Yeah, first time on Jollibee drive-thru. After the party, we went to Jollibee. Samantha was like, "Mommy, let's go out there." And then so I opened the window and she was dancing in the car. So I said, "Are you gonna be a party girl?" She's like, "Yes, I'm gonna be a party girl." And she was like dancing. Yeah. Wow, good job.
Whoa!
Oh. What was that?
What was that?
What was that?
What was that?
What was swimming in the water? A fish? Enough love. Huh? Oh, I forgot I have a hat. That's okay. It's gonna get wet. Yeah, it's gonna get wet anyway.
Yeah, Mama.
You're under the umbrella. You're under the
Hey, we over there.
Where? With Daddy?
I'm going to stay on top of it.
What? No. That's not allowed. No. That's not allowed. You're not allowed to do that.
No.
Tamiko, you're by yourself.
Yeah.
Swimming by herself.
I can swim by myself.
Yes, you can. You're going so big. You can even swim by yourself now.
But sometimes you just need help on deep areas.
Yeah.
I can only do it here. Close to.
I need one like that to water our grass.
That is a pretty nice tank, but okay. That's not bad.
Oh, I don't even know. Well, I'll just take a look at it tomorrow. Oh, okay.
Crawling around on my.
Oh, massage na.
Somebody's calling on your phone.
No, I don't see.
Auntie Perry's.
How is it? You giving Daddy a massage? How is it, Daddy?
It's pretty good. You have a future as a massage therapist.
Look at this one.
Yes, look at me. See? I'm a zombie.
See, I'm a zombie.
Hello. Why are you asking Dad? Because Dad always says yes. Careful, baby. Careful.
I can tap.
Just one.
No, that's not the. So, 4.
4. Okay.
3.
3. Yeah. Okay.
5.
No. Back to 1.
Wow, that's nice. I forgot what it's like to have hot water in the house. It's been so long.
This is our setup. You have to be careful not to get it wet, though, Sammy. Yeah.
Okay.
This is our setup for our heater, hot water.
Is that not going to be a shower?
No. Yes. No more boiling water in a pot. Yes. For the past 5 months.
Are those little yellow plastic tabs, they're supposed to be attached to something?
I'm not sure. So finally, we got our hot water heater installed today. It's been 5 months since the last time we had a hot water in the US.
Clubhouse before.
Oh yeah, that's true at the
Or
clubhouse.
the showers, I guess. The showers that pull us long as
Yeah.
we've had.
Hot water.
Yeah, I think it was really hot. It's like 100% hot. And the whole thing.
Yeah.
So
We
it's
were
like-
thinking like we could actually like wait, but I'm surprised why we even waited. We could have just done it right away.
I can.
Like, okay, we want hot water here.
Because we didn't want to give her a huge list of all these different things.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
Like this, and this, and this.
Yeah.
We need all this
We
fixed.
want this, we want this, we want this fixed. But yeah, it's nice. We have it installed.
At least we'll have it for the next
So hard.
year and
A year.
7 months.
Yeah, a year and 7 months.
That'd be good.
They can probably like uninstall it or give her, since we're just renting this place, so we're now trying to figure out how we're gonna do it.
Oh, is that cold?
No, Kuya's installing it in Mommy and Daddy's bathroom.
But he's my Kuya.
Oh, you Kuya? Okay.
I'll say for him.
We have a parcel that I ordered from, I think this is Lazada. And it is a vacuum for beds, mattresses, because it gets really dusty here. For some reason, like our mattresses get so dusty. And the bathrooms, like I clean every 2 weeks, it's dusty. So I ordered a vacuum. Oh, i-ano ko liwat no? I-unbox ko ha. Or unbox. Let's unbox it. Sayang ang kuwan, waray ko. So here it is, guys. So yeah, actually it works. It's getting like dirt off the top sheets, and then remove like dust mites and all that. So that's amazing. It works. It's a dust mite vacuum cleaner. Only vacuum like this part of the the cover, and look how much dust was in there collecting. I'll do it again. That's empty. Whoa, oh my gosh, that's a lot of dust. And this is just the top of the bed, top sheets. So can you imagine how much dust I can get? Oh, it's actually like really dust right there. Wow. Oh, so dusty. Like I'm gonna have to vacuum like the mattress itself. This is just the bed, the beddings. Alright, I'll show you. This is just the top of the bed. Second time vacuuming it.
Wow.
Right?
It's pretty dirty.
It's not even the mattress yet. I'm gonna vacuum the mattress too. Yeah.
That's good for things like that you don't
Think about, right?
yeah, I never thought about it.
Yeah.
Especially those sheets that are on top, like comforters.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm gonna vacuum our comforters because our comforters we haven't washed in a while, so I'm gonna see how much dust it's collected, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.